Hola, ¿cómo estás everybody? Welcome back to a brand new episode, a brand new series called Cooking with Hershey. First, we need red chili sauce, green chili sauce, schezwan sauce, vinegar, soya sauce, ketchup, cabbage, paneer optional, carrots, and a shit ton of onions. Some nice noodles. Heat a pan for a little bit and then add some oil. Now as it's bubbling, add your all onions. Next, add your carrots. And then your cabbage. And give it a nice mix. After 5 minutes, add salt and then some pepper. Now you can add your paneer. Give it a nice mix now. Start up with nice little thick, a cup or a teaspoon of soya sauce. Not more. Same teaspoon of vinegar. Low flame so it doesn't bubble up on your face. And then nice 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, now this all depends on you. Schezwan sauce, I'm going to put like about a tablespoon in this. You can add more if you want. Mix this properly. Now let it simmer for a little bit and get your noodles ready now. Now we're going to add our noodles. After you added your amount of noodles you wanted, it's time to mix these all up and combine it. Now if your noodles don't get this color or a reddish color, you can add a little bit of more of your sauces. Now I've turned off the heat so I don't overcook it, which is not good. Overcooking is not good. And taste if there's salt. If there's no salt, proper salt or any other seasoning, add. So mine's perfect. I'm just going to add a little bit of ketchup. This is where ketchup comes in. Not too much, not too less. And it does need a little spice, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of schezwan sauce. That's spicy schezwan paneer noodles. So, how is it?
It's sweet. It's good.
Yep, so you can add a little bit more schezwan sauce, everybody, if you want. This is my brother's reactions. So, yeah, thank you for watching.